You're traveling on a Tuesday and check your phone to see that you've just been paid. This is possible through passive income. How is this possible? All done through Atomy. No member fees, no hidden maintenance fees. All you need is to continue buying your daily necessities. For example, after using the Atomy toothbrush and toothpaste daily, share how great the products are with your friends and family. It's as simple as that. Atomy's general commission is based on a point value system called PV. Every product you purchase from Atomy, you earn PV. And when you share them with your friends and family, they are distributed below your line. Possible with Atomy's binary system. Say, for example, when your mom and your best friend each buy daily necessities from Atomy, they accumulate PV. And those PV will be considered as your group PV. This is where you can start earning money. To start earning money, you will have to accumulate 10,000 PV to become a member. And your left and right legs need to accumulate a minimum of 300,000 PV. Once you meet the minimum requirements, boom! You will earn your first paycheck, all through using and sharing Atomy products. But don't worry, your points will continue to accumulate even if you haven't reached 300,000 PV on your smaller leg. So you don't have to worry about your group PV being flushed out. Don't worry, we'll wait. So as your mother and friend shares with more people, all of the generated PV will be included in your group PV, making it easier for you to complete your matching. The possibilities are endless, as you can share with anyone in the world. In Atomy, earning money is as simple as sharing. The gate to economic gain is wide open for you. With each PV you gather, you'll be allocated points. And from there, you unlock higher earnings through bonuses and commissions. It's that easy! In Atomy, points equals money. Your scores are calculated daily. Then the scores from Wednesday to the following Tuesdays are totaled for payment to be discussed on the coming Tuesday. Easy to say, you'll get a paycheck every Tuesday. More points equals higher scores, which equals higher payouts. Not enough? Don't worry. There's more! In Atomy, there's a mastership bonus based on your mastership level, making your payout larger every time you manage to accumulate a larger group PV. For example, to become a sales master in Atomy, you need to gather 700,000 in personal PV and generate 2.5 million group PV within a cycle across both your left and right legs. In addition, if you become a sales master, you can get a $600 in cash. This is a way for Atomy to celebrate your achievements within the community. On average, a sales master earns between $1,500 and $2,000 a month. Spectacular scenes await you when you reach the ranking of an auto sales master. It is a straightforward path to a passive income between $18,000 and $25,000 per year. The ASM ranking is just the start of your 5-figure income realm. As you climb the 7 ranks, you will unlock even greater passive income and lavish rewards designed to reward you for your determination and hard work. Along your journey, Atomy will always be there to reward you for the incredible heights you achieve with incredible cash bonuses. $1,800 in cash for Diamond Master, $2,000 in cash for Sharon Rose Masters, $10,000 in cash for Star Masters, $50,000 in cash for Royal Masters, and $300,000 in cash for Crown Masters. And at the peak, look forward to a
1 million Canadian
dollar cash reward when you ascend to an Imperial Master. This can all be yours when you make your way to the top. And with Atomy's special ceiling cap, everyone has a fair chance at success. The beauty of Atomy resides in a communal effort. Success impossible as an individual becomes possible as a team. Thanks to the growing number of colleagues, anyone can reach higher income at Atomy. So what's stopping you from traveling the world without a single concern, whilst earning a healthy passive income, all through sharing absolute quality products at absolute prices with your friends and family? In Atomy, we share, we earn, we grow together.